Welcome back to my channel public. What is 1 meter? What is 1 second? Who decided this value? Why does the whole world use the sum unit? And what happens if scientists use different unit? One NASA spacecraft costed because if wrong unit. Today we will learn fully understanding SI unit from basics to real world science and add animations, meter, ruler, clock, thermometer, scientist lab. A unit is a standard way to measurements something. For example, distance measurements meter, time measurements second, mass measurements kilogram, temperature measurements Kelvin. Without unit, science, engineering, and daily life too impossible. If I say my house in 10 away 10 watt, meter, kilometer, step, units give you meaning to numbers. SI standard for international system of unit. If is the global standard measurements system used by scientists, engineer and schools worldwide. Create the 1960 by the General Confirmation on Weight and Measurements Value World Map with scientists using same units. Length meter, symbol m, meter measurements distance, example height of the students, length of the road, size of the atoms. Fun act: 1 meter is defined using the speed of light. Second number, mass को मापते हैं किलोग्राम. And kilogram measurements, low heavy something is early it was a metal cylinder. Now it is defined using the pink of constant. Example, you school bag weight. Third things, time minutes, time seconds. Seconds measurements time. Today atomic clocks different 1 second using the cells 6 atoms. One blink of the an eyes 0.3 seconds. Electricity current, electric current. 2 measurements, ampere measurements, electricity current in wires. Use the mobile charging, fan, bulb, temperature to map measurements Kelvin. Kelvin is scientific temperature. 0 Kelvin, approx 0, no molecules, motions, comparisons, 1 degree Celsius, 2273 Kelvin. Atoms, substance, molecules, mole. Moles measurements number of atoms of molecules. 1 molecule 6,022 power 1 mole equal 6.022 power 10 के power 23 particles. Example like a Dejon 12 moles, Hughes continuous, luminous and mapping to candela. Candela measurements brightness of light. Source like a bulb and laser. Derived units of made from base unit. Example, quantities unit symbol and speeds meters per second and ms m bata s. Force mapping measurements units symbol n. Energy measurements joule symbol j. Power measurements watt symbol w. Pressure measurements pascal symbol pa. Real life example, if you push a door, you apply force in newtons. If you change your phone, power is measurements. If watt. Why SI units are important? Without SI unit, science world collapsed. In 1999, NASA launched the Mars filaments. Without SI units, science world collapsed. In 1999, NASA launched the Mars filament orbiter because without SI unit, science world collapsed. In 1999, NASA launched the Mars filament orbit because engineers use proud inside of Newtons. The escape spacecraft crushed dust in units mismatch and domestic animations. Conclusions: SI units are the language of universe. For atoms and galaxy, everything is measurements using this unit. If you understanding SI unit, you understand the measurements of physics, chemistry and engineering. Like this video, if subscribe, learn something new. Subscribe for more physics explained simple, and comment which topic you want to next video, and hit the subscribe button, like, share, comment. जय हिंद, जय भारत.